Hello everyone, my name is Roklik Ranashok. I am from Ahmednagar. Today's our topic is multi-threading in Java. So I have discussed about the multi-threading in Java before we are going to the multitasking. So multitasking is a we are achieving the multitasking. There are we are using the two ways. Firstly is a process-based multitasking and thread-based multitasking. So process-based multitasking is also known as multiprocessing, and thread-based multitasking is known as a multi-threading. So we have discuss about the multi-threading. So what is a multi-threading? So multi-threading, it means it is defined as to execute the multiple tasks, multiple threads execute the multiple threads here at the same time at simultaneously the same time. So it is a known as a multi-threading. So multi-threading is a thread-based multi-threading. We can use the thread is a subclass of a process base. So it is a smallest and subclass of the process base. So multi-threading is a multiprocessing in achieving the by using the multi-threading, and multitasking is achieving the multiprocessing and multi-threading. So we have multi-threading is also use the application as a gaming and animation. So we are using the multi-threading in games and applications. So we are take the example about the game. So we are using the game in the car racing. So your car is in that race, and then various types of cars are executing in this races. So it is a multi-threading. It is a use of multi-threading. So multiple threads are executing at the same time. So it is known as a multi-threading. So what is the benefits of multi-threading? So we are using, suppose we are working on specific tasks, and we are open the another tab is you are singing a song, and your second tab is you are working on your word file. So it is a your specific projects. So we can use the multiple threads and simultaneously multiple threads are executing in simultaneously by using the multi-threading. So it is the most important benefits we are using the multi-threading in Java. So next is a, suppose we are working on specific our projects where our project is very big. So we are dividing the multiple parts, multiple threads multiple threads in our projects, and it's executing the parallelly by using the multi-threaded. So in that case we are increasing the your execution process, execution speed of your programs. Also also we are also easily execute your program by using the multi-threading, which is your second benefits are using in multi-threading in Java. So it is a first, and the next is a third benefits. So we can use the multi-threading in various types of gaming and animation applications, and so it's to improve your performance and concurrency. Your applications are using in Java are using in multi-threading. So it is a third benefits are using in Java. So next is a we are there are various types of methods are using in multi-threading. First of all, to sleep method. So next is a to start method, and next is a to end method, and then next is a to daemon thread methods. And next is the set priority based methods. So we have discussed about the firstly we have a difference between the process based multitasking and thread based multitasking. So process based multitasking is acquired to more time as compared to the thread based multitasking, and thread based multitasking has time acquired to less time as compared to the process based multitasking. So next difference is it's a its times required is as its execution time required as more as compared to the multitasking, multi processing, multi-threading, and multi-threading is as less execution time is less as compared to the multi-processing. So multi-processing is a time consuming time is a more time as execution, and it is a more time execution, and its thread is a it is a sub part of process. And so it is a difference between process and threads. So next is a we have discussed about the various types of methods are using in multi-threading. sleep method, daemon thread method. So we are using the sleep method. So what is a sleep method? Sleep method is a, suppose we have take the example about the sleep method. We have take the class name is a test. In that class we are creating the main methods, and in that main methods we are putting the values in the variables. Int a is equal to 10, int b is equal to 0, and we have create the for loop. And for loop I is equal to 0, I is less than 5 or I plus plus. And in that case your output is provided to, suppose if I is less than 5, your output is provided to output is provided to 1 2 3 4. So and then we are using the sleep method. In that case we are using the thread or sleep. So thread or sleep, it means we are using the sleep method. So your thread is just thread was sleeping in specific millisecond times. Suppose we are using the sleep thread or sleep methods, and we have limit the your sleep your time of the thread is sleeping is a 100 milliseconds. So at execution time your execution is execution is slow because of your thread was sleeping in 100 millisecond times. And so execution speed execution, suppose your thread is execution time, your thread in that sleep method your execution thread is automatically execute the program by using the by using the limits of your millisecond, sleeping limits of your millisecond. It means we have take the limits is a 100 milliseconds. As depends upon you. uh, so next method is a daemon thread method. So set them so next method is a priority based methods. So there are three types of priority set priority as using in Java and also multi-threading: max priority, min priority, and norm priority. So it's in Java by default 1 to 10 value is a your priority based methods are by default are available in Java. So it is all about the multi-threading in Java. Thank you so much.